Hi, folks. We are tracking the tropics. Hurricane Helene, as of the latest advisory, a Category 1 hurricane, which will strengthen to a Category 3 by 2 p.m. today and then eventually make landfall over the Big Bend region of Florida, then weaken and kind of meander right around the Nashville area before shooting back eastbound. So that's going to give us here, even in the DMV, a couple of risks of getting some heavy rain. Let's go ahead and take a look at the peak storm surge. And again, up to 3 feet of storm surge as far south as all the way down into portions of deep South Florida. We're talking like down at Key West. Tampa could be up to about 9 feet of storm surge, especially in some of those nook and cranny type bays. And then 1 to 2, well, actually, this is 12 feet, not 1 to 2 feet, 12 feet to 20 feet of storm surge. That would be around Cedar Key in this area in purple. And you know what that could equate to? 1 to 2 stories worth of water moving on shore in that area above ground level. So that could be absolutely devastating. So needless to say, storm surge warnings in effect, especially in that Big Bend area, goes all the way basically up to the Georgia line, where we could see extensive storm surge flooding. Also, a tropical storm warning for most of Florida. The Big Bend area is under a hurricane warning. Tropical storm warnings actually go all the way up toward the South Carolina coastline and then down to Tampa. Hurricane watch in addition in effect. So the futurecast says for overnight Thursday night into Friday morning, there's your eventual landfall of the eye of, again, a potentially major Hurricane Helene. By early Friday morning, this thing is beginning to diminish, but could even pass places like Atlanta with tropical storm force winds and hurricane gusts. This then moves west initially and then arcs back again to the east. So we could see some rain out of this for Friday, and then another round coming for Sunday into Monday before this leaves, likely on Tuesday. In terms of rain totals, could see 5 to 6 inches rain. Thankfully, it's a quick mover, but in these areas where we see that bit of a stall, some of these yellows could be at least 8 to 10 plus inches of rain. Even here in the district, by the time it's all said and done early Tuesday, could see a solid 1 to 3 inches of heavy rain.